Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. And so this is part 2 of why are you dealing with and living with a jealous person? Whether you're living with them or that's your mate or however, why are you dealing with them? Okay, so I'm going to continue on. Make sure you check out part 1. I have some notes here, so when you see me looking down, that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at my notes, okay? All right. Hey, I like talking to you guys. I'm going to try to do this if I can once a week so that at least we can have some dialogue. It's another word of the day, right? Why not? Okay, here we go. The jealous controller always have an excuse for his or her behavior. Oh, goodness, the excuses are endless. I'm sorry, you made me do it. You made me mad. You're cheating on me. They always have some excuse, really. And there is no excuse for the abuse. That's right, it's abuse. No excuse for the abuse. So don't accept those excuses. That's who they are, and that's who they want to be because they feel good about bringing you down. Okay? Okay, he or she will say, I was drunk and you made me do it. Okay? Well, you drink because you're trying to hide your pain. You drink because it takes you into another world. Not that you need to go in another world. You're already in another world, okay? You drink or do drugs because you don't want to deal with you. And it's an scapegoat. Meanwhile, when you're up on the drugs or you're drunk or high, you're giving out even more abuse because then you are fully out of control of what's going on with you. Bad, 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 bad news. It's bad to be with someone like that. It's bad to be with someone who medicates to the point where you get even more abuse, okay? And they'll say, I love you, so I am trying to help you. That's why I tell you, don't talk to this one or don't talk to that one. That's why I control your money, because you don't know how to control your money. You spend up all of your money. That's why I hit you, because you didn't listen. I told you what not to do and you still doing it. I told you, don't nobody want you. Oh yeah, that's all the abuse, the excuses and the mind and brainwash that they do to you to make sure they keep you where they want you. Okay, and believe me, they do want you because nobody else wants them. And who else is putting up with that? But you shouldn't put up with it. That's who shouldn't want who. You shouldn't want them because they bring nothing positive to the table. Nothing positive to you. Nothing positive to your kids, right? Okay. You disrespect me, they say. You need me, so I am helping you. They think that they are helping you, okay? And the reason why they need to control you is because you are not respecting them. So they're going to make sure that you respect them by physically and mentally abusing you. Wrong answer. That does not fall under the line of respect. That falls under disrespect. No good. And then they tell you, nobody else would have you. Well, they're right about that. Nobody else will have you because you have them. You need to turn them loose, and then you'll be surprised what God could put in your life. Somebody may be interested in you then because you don't have crazy working your nerves. You don't have crazy telling you what to do. And maybe you could find somebody decent that will respect and care about you and yours for you and not control you because you are not an animal or nothing. You don't need another human being to control you, okay? Get rid of that problem. You get, you have they got the jealousy thing going. You know, if somebody calls on the phone, it's a wrong number. Who's that? Oh yeah, I know that's your man calling you and all this here stuff. So at first it seems a little cute, right? But then after a while that gets really serious when you get slapped upside your head. It's not cute anymore, okay? You need to find someone else that respects you, and if your phone rings, they're so secure within themselves until they don't have to worry about who's on the other line, okay? And one of the other things they do, they check your phone. Yes, they go through your phone to see what numbers they don't recognize, who called you, and all of that. I mean, come on, that's enough. You can't even go see your mother. You can't go see your father. You can't go see your sister. You can't take your kids to the park. All of these things is because they're in control? Really? Well, let's take a look at them. They probably have low self-esteem. They're probably on some kind of substance. If they're not on some kind of substance, they're on some, maybe the doctor gave them some medicine that is supposed to help them, and that's not helping them. There's all kinds of concerns about them. You know, they talk about your IQ when they probably don't even have an IQ as high as yours. Okay? All of these factors that a jealous person will have and bring to the table. And please, lift yourself up, lift your spirits up. You know, if you need encouragement on a regular basis, all of my videos have the word of the day on them. You can play them and they will help lift your spirits. Because somebody out here cares about you. I care about you. That's why I take the time out to encourage you and try to help you to lift your spirits, because you are somebody special and your kids love you and others love you. You're even loved maybe outside the house. Maybe the dog loves you and the cat loves you. You have a lot to bring to the table, and you don't need nobody stressing you out, because eventually, you know, you may have to go on with life alone. And if you do, you're going to make it, because you're going to make it because you're going to be stronger. And a stronger you is enough to bring you through. I like that statement. Let me say that again. A stronger you is enough to bring you through. Okay? All right. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. It was a pleasure spending a little time with you talking about the jealous person. And if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe. Tell others to subscribe, will you? My goal is to get to 4,000 subscribers. And I am counting on you to help me get there. And hit that like button. It looks like a thumb up. If you like the videos, and I'm going to keep bringing them to you. I heard from some of you, you like the word of the day, and I'm going to continue to do that just for you. And remember, I'm still waiting on our Q&A. You can go on my channel, and the Q&A is about the advantages of living as a couple or married. And I want you to give me some feedback on that and your experiences, so I can give you a shout out and let you know what let everybody know what you said, and we're going to talk about that. Okay? All right. And so until next time, I'm going to talk to you later. Okay? Love you. Bye bye.